I get up, I get down, and I'm jumping around. And the rumpus and rug is so comfortable now. Been a hell of a ride, but I'm thinking it's time to grow. So I got in the walk, and across from the bar, fucking wild in my fridge, still I'm not feeling grown. Been a hell of a ride, but I'm thinking it's time to go. What?
Here we go.
Cause my taxes are due. Do my password begin with a 1 or a 2? Been a hell of a ride,